So let's say, let's look for the next fresh color change here.
So what we're doing color change on what? The 15-minute?
15.
Okay.
Okay, so we're just having a fresh cross, so now we go to the 5-minute, and that's a.
It's not quite a cross yet, so let's play it. So let's put on play. All right, so it's just cross.
Right there.
We had
Right there. I'm in.
We had a tune-up cross 1 bar before.
We did.
Yeah, we did.
We did have a tune-up. So you want to go back to that?
Yeah, let's go back to it.
Yeah.
Let's go back to that. Okay.
Can you do more than one ad? Can you do add-on signals?
I can just hit buy again.
Yeah, do it. Let's do it. Let's play the first signal and the second one. Yeah.
So would the signal be right now then, or do you want to go back even?
Go back a little bit further so we can call it.
Okay. Okay, tell me when.
Right there. I'm in.
Right there.
All right. In.
Did we take a trade?
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. I couldn't see the color. I'm standing up looking at my screen, and it was too far away. So your take profit needs to be.
Oh shoot! I hit buy. Never mind, let's do that again.
You cost yourself money.
I did. I was like, wait a second.
He's hedging.
Right. I'm hedging on that.
Oh, that's funny. Sorry,
Kirk. I never do that with live money. Ever. There. Here's our little pip bar.
Okay, and then we're looking for a sniper fresh
yeah, look
cross.
for a sniper.
The combination of the sniper and the tune-up, and when Jed told me the sniper range, that was like a game changer right there.
I'm in.
Okay, right there.
There's your cross. 4 bar.
Yeah.
All right.
Got another one entry.
Now let's see if we make money on either of them. How far out are those stop loss? Are they 15? Okay. I guess that one just looks really close because it's to the other one.
The add-on. Yeah. Scary. And this is 8 times normal speed, so
Go to 10.
that's 11.
Okay, that's.
Close enough.
I just wanted to go a little bit faster so we can.
Get on with this.
I wish we could do this with real
You know, when I
live
listen
type.
to YouTube videos, many times I'll use. I'll have at least 25% faster or 50% faster. There are some times now that I'm getting 75 or double speed. I've just gotten used to listening to things in faster.
Ooh.
So it.
Okay, the sniper.
Sniper's at risk.
Yeah.
Well, normally when I do it, here's what I do though. When I actually do an add-on, I'll move my my stop loss back to where the original entry was.
Yeah. This is a good way to go say, okay, which one of these would have been a better entry?
Right.
The tune-up?
Right, exactly.
And
see, and that's dangerous too, in that then that trade gives you, if you took it, I don't know what, 10 pips later, then the one stop is out.
Yeah, it puts you at higher.
Pips.
It puts you at higher risk, but just for my own personal management when I've been doing that. But most of the time, I'll take a add-on when I'm already in profit on the first one. There's another add-on right there.
you want me to do it?
Yeah, do it. I'm feeling lucky.
Hey.
You got one that's protecting profit now, your first one.
Yep.
They're all moving though, aren't they?
Yep. Well, I think they're all caught up now. because they all have the 15 pip trailing
Yeah,
stop on them.
all your stop losses
it's
are the
pulling
same.
back.
Oh no, only one is triggered so far. I think.
I would have closed it a little bit ago. Because
You want me to close it?
Well, go back, rewind a little bit. And I'll show you what I mean. Go back about 4 or 5 bars.
Right here.
Go back before that drop down. Okay, yeah, right there. It says good.
Okay, play it.
Yeah, play it.
All right.
So
tell me when to
because
close.
it moved that fast, what I'll do is I'll start watching my 1 minute for color changes, and then watch for the 5 to give me a color change.
Close it.
Not yet. Right there.
There.
All right. So
No, look at that. Boom, boom. That
total
is.
of 20 plus 15 plus 12. I think it's actually more than 20. 23 plus 15 plus 12. Somebody got a calculator?
Somewhere.
So, and here's the thing, is like that was during our trading time on Tuesday of last week. You know what I mean? The trades are there.
50
I think the filter cross is huge that we have to really look for on the 15 minute. 15 filter cross or color change. And that's what I'm going to be trading, simulating trading all weekend. It's just how to do that one really well.
That was 50 pips total.
Yeah.
All right, we're done for the day. Good trading, guys.
Yep.
That's awesome.
That's what I would say.
That is awesome. So that's a wrap. 50 times 6 guys or more, 12 guys.
Oh wow, this is okay. This is just oh wow. I'm hyperventilating. I can't hardly stand it.
Yeah, I think it's going to fine tune all of us. We're going to get the best bang for our buck. So anything else you want to see? Any other questions you have, Kirk, that I can?
No, the rest I can click on the button. Now I got the basics. I can go through and do things when I buy it. My learning curve is going to be a lot shorter.
And it's really easy to set up too. It's just an expert advisor. You just download it, and the thing that confused me is you have to open up a chart to drop your EA into. Yeah. That's what it confused me for a few minutes there, and then I figured it out.
Yeah, it's got to be a clean chart.
So you do a clean chart first, then put your indicators on second.
Yeah, once you go in, you open up the EA, and so you see charts right here. You click on this charts button, and here's where you add all the charts that you want to simulate. And then once you open them, you click open, then they'll pop up, and that's when you put all their template on.
Okay.
I would save a template with all the moving averages on it, so all you do is just go to a template and load it.
No, you need the moving averages, or else it totally is not the same system.
Yeah.
Well,
I just dropped the same template I used to trade with right on the. I just copied it into my demo folder.
Yeah. So.
Okay.
That's what you're going to do all weekend. That's what I'm going to do all weekend.
Can we demos trade it together? We'll Skype each other over the weekend.
Hey, I may do that. I may do that from time to time. Say, hey guys, I'm really wanting to get my mind wrapped around this. Let's demo trade.
Yeah, let's do a sharpen the saw session, right? Let's just get it all together. And...
No, that's great stuff. I was thinking at maybe 9:30 Mountain Time, 10:30 Central Time. For the last half hour of the coaching session, we could just basically go do this.
Yeah.
So what I'd like to see have happen is instead of doing instruction during the coaching session time, we're just continuing trading because there's some good moves that happen during that time. And then when we're done with our heavy trading, the real trading, and things really slow off, then we go to this and just finish off the day good.
And train.
Or better.
So there's a definite, there's a definite line between trading and training.
Yeah.
Sure.
And that's going to make it so much easier. One thing that I might do when you guys are trading, see, this is where I'm loving you guys being in a different arena where you're actually trading. When I'm in the PIP club, I can put this thing up and say, now this is what we're going to do. Going to learn this how we do. And I just teach them the basic 15-5-1 strategy. I don't go into the coaching stuff. And where would you enter this? Where would you enter that? Okay, I got to scan here and see that's what it can do.
Yep.
Or you get the scanner and the what do you call this thing? Simulator.
Simulator.
The scanner and the simulator, and you get to keep the simulator, and you only have to pay for it once, but then you continue to pay the $100, and you'll be learning how to trade so much more quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, when I saw it and actually can do what it does, I mean, that was no brainer. I was in. But every simulator I've ever used, you can't use custom indicators, and you can't get 3 charts to move at once.
Yeah.
There's always one chart and whatever MT4 supported. That was it.
Yeah.
So when I saw that you could do all this, that was the first question I asked Chad. I said, "Can I put custom indicators?" He goes, "Yeah." I said, "Okay, now we up the rules here."
Even if you're only trading one chart, that's a lot better than the other way. But getting 3 charts.
So there you have it, folks. You got a little bit of a sneak peek of us actually trading together as a team using the simulator, and how and got to see how excited we were about the results that it offered us on more than just the pip count level, but just on how we can use this as a powerful tool for our team and our trading. And we invite you to take advantage of it, get involved with this tool. If that's all you do, this can make a difference for you in your trading. But also want to invite you to come to our Pip Club, learn how our system's working, and learn from Kirk as well as the other traders there that are progressing towards our roundtable group, which is working together and trading together on a copier. We are excited for the things that are happening here in 2020, and we invite you to take advantage of it. See you on the other side.